just spent 4 days doing the wiring on my 81 F150 step side. I'm going to show you what I got done. Got the 351 Windsor in it. Got the alternator wired. Got my ignition box wired. Coil. Distributor. Electric choke. Headlights. Turn signals. Running lights. Marker lights. My tail lights wired. Gotta finish up some of this, put it in the loom. Turn everything on, show you how it works. Key is wired. Turn it on. Got dash lights. Off. On. Dimmer switch. Blinkers. Driver's side, front and rear. Go the other way. Passenger side. Front and rear. Headlights are on. Got the hazards. Dimmer switch. Flashers working in the front and in the rear, and also the third brake light flashes when the flashes are on. I'm not sure why. See? The brake lights. Not sure if you could see that or not, but anyways, gauges down here are also lit up. The lights off. We got the Alpine 7-inch screen. Turn that bad boy on. Comes on. The source button. Got 4 speakers. And 2 10-inch subs. And that's about it.